Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Claudette. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel. Guys, and don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And in today's video, guys, I would like you to spend some time with me. So if that interests you, keep on watching. Guys, I finally get the chance of going outside to pack up all my stuff from the deck. Now I'm finished and now summer officially over. So guys, I came back inside because I have to go work out today. Today's my day off. So I went in the kitchen, make some beets and pineapple blend, head downstairs to the gym. So usually I do some little warm up off camera, and then the first thing I do after that is head to the treadmill. So guys, now I'm taking a sip of my juice, beets and pineapple. Very refreshing, guys. You have to taste that smoothie. And I do a little on the treadmill. I do lounge and I do squats, and I do love to do squats with my dumbbells. I did maybe 10 changing. Then I love to do, I swing my arms, and then the last thing I do is to go to the sauna. I finish up in the sauna. Yeah, guys, love this sauna. So now I head outside. I head to the mall. My favorite place to go is Home Sense. Home Sense have the most nicest decorating stuff for your home. Oh, I just love it. And this table is a very nice table, guys, but I prefer it would be black, like the leg would be black. This lamp is just everything. I am just loving this lamp. $79.99. I could see this lamp in a nice little space. Guys, these two green chairs is just amazing. It's just screaming a little entrance way. It's pretty color. I think this is like of a sage green. This is not, or maybe hunter green or olive green, I would say. But it's a pretty color with a white cushion in that at the entrance. Gone clear, guys. Gone clear. Wow, these are so pretty for their kitchen island. So nice with the gold. Very nice, and it's neutral because the black and gold, it's just a neutral color. This picture frame, timeless. This will just jazz up a living room, a dining room, neutral color again. This is just stunning, elegant, and timeless. Very nice. Any room, this could just jazz up any room. This one need you have to have this one in a big space. The price is going for $249. Very pretty, guys. Nice wine glasses would do any elegant dressing up for your table. Look at this for the holiday. This is so nice. You drink from all these nice wine glasses. It's a statement piece. Anyone come to your house over the holiday, it's a talk of the town. This is just nice. And your table, sophisticated at its best, is well dressed. You're eating in style, guys. OMG. I just love these plates with the white rim around it, black and white rim around it. Guys, you can't go wrong. And these are just loving, looking modern, sophisticated and modern, beautiful. You could dress up your table with these. You could put them in your dresser, in your cabinet, guys. And the price, $5.99 or $4.99. You can't beat this price. HomeSense is just the place to go when you're on a budget. It never fails. I always go to HomeSense. These plates are just screaming modern. Guys, your washroom, your bathroom, well dressed bathroom. These are just colors, neutral colors. You can't go wrong. And for the holiday, is a splash of red, like a red or a green, white, green, black. Holiday, these are just neutral colors. This is a Christmas tree skirts. Very, very pretty. Very pretty. And it's like a velvet. Very, very nice. Loving it. Guys, and you need something for your door, or you could even dress this up with on your dining room table too, you know. These wreath, they're very pretty and they're nice colors. You could dress it up at your entrance door. Look at this. At your entrance, if Santa City, Santa have to stop there. Very, very nice. You can't go wrong. HomeSense is the place to go for all these stuff for your Christmas, guys. And you gotta shop early for Christmas, because you know when you stay for a long time and don't go visit the HomeSense or go visit places, all the best things go first. So you have to go before they're all done. You know, you have to go visit. Look at these bulbs. These are pink. You know, you could have a theme. You could go gold. You could go pink. You could be white. Guys, I think I am going to go white and gold this year. Look at this nice. Guys, if you're hosting, you have to check out these Christmas stuff early. You have to, because people always go after Canadian Thanksgiving, or they go after. Look at these nice bows. Look at these nice bows. And you guys, you know what I always do? I always use the Christmas gift, the gift wrap, and wrap all these boxes and put them all over my house, like in the dining room, the living room. I will show you a picture. I do it every year. I saw it once and I love it. Guys, you have these books after Christmas if you want to redecorate, or if you even want to look in it, say the next time, you know, you're decorating, you can do that. And guys, don't forget to pamper yourself. Remember, you are the one who working and do all these stuff. You cannot forget yourself. Pamper yourself. Even when you're hosting, you have to look right. You have to smell good. So just take care of yourself. I know you're always taking care of others first, but take care of yourself, guys. Take care of yourself. Pamper yourself. Love yourself. And just give yourself a gift, or smell good. Just do something for yourself. So guys, until next time.